This video will analyze the common causes of not receiving verification code texts on iPhone and provide multiple effective solutions to help you quickly restore the ability to receive verification messages. Part 1. Why am I not receiving verification code texts on iPhone? An iPhone may fail to receive verification code texts due to network issues, incorrect settings, blocked messages, carrier restrictions, SIM or eSIM problems, iOS glitches, low storage, or notification settings like focus mode. Part 2. How to fix not receiving verification code texts on iPhone. If your iPhone is not receiving verification code texts, you can follow the methods below to troubleshoot and fix the issue step by step. Tip 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. Step 1. Open Control Center. Turn on airplane mode. Wait for 10 seconds, then turn it off to reconnect your iPhone to the cellular network. Step 2. Request a new verification code and check if the SMS is received. Tip 2. Verify your phone number. Step 1. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap Phone. Step 2. Tap My Number and make sure the phone number is correct. Tip 3. Restart your iPhone. Step 1. Press and hold the side button and either volume button, then drag the power off slider to turn off your iPhone. Step 2. Wait a few seconds, then restart your iPhone by holding the side button and requesting a new verification code. Tip 4. Disable message filtering. Step 1. Open Settings, tap Messages, and select Unknown and Spam. Step 2. Turn off Filter Unknown Senders to prevent verification texts from being filtered as spam. Tip 5. Check Focus Mode or Do Not Disturb settings. Step 1. Open Settings, tap Focus, and check if Do Not Disturb or another focus mode is enabled. Step 2. Turn off focus mode temporarily and make sure messages notifications are allowed. Step 3. Request the verification code again and check if the message arrives. Tip 6. Update carrier settings. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi or enable cellular data, then open Settings General About. Step 2. If a carrier settings update appears, tap Update and restart your iPhone. Step 3. Request a new verification code to check if the SMS is received. Tip 7. Update iOS to the latest version. Step 1. Open Settings, tap General, and select Software Update to check for available updates. Step 2. Tap Download and Install to update your iPhone. Tip 8. Reset network settings. Step 1. Open Settings, tap General, and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 2. Tap Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Step 3. Enter your iPhone passcode if prompted. Step 4. Confirm the reset and wait for your iPhone to restart. Tip 9. Remove and reinsert the SIM card. Step 1. Turn off your iPhone, then use a SIM ejector tool to remove the SIM card. Step 2. Wait about 10 seconds and reinsert the SIM card into the slot. Step 3. Turn on your iPhone and check if you can receive verification texts. Tip 10. Use iOS System Recovery. If the issue persists, use an iOS system repair tool like iOS System Recovery to fix deeper software problems. It can repair iOS errors, including SMS issues and system malfunctions, without losing your personal data. Step 1. Download and install iOS System Recovery on your computer, then launch the program and connect your iPhone using a USB cable. Step 2. Choose iOS System Recovery from the main interface and click Start to diagnose and fix iPhone system problems that may prevent verification code texts from arriving. Step 3. Select Standard Mode to repair iOS system errors without deleting your personal data, then click Confirm to continue. Step 4. Check your iPhone information, download the appropriate firmware package, and click Repair to begin fixing the system issues related to not receiving verification code texts on iPhone. Step 5. Wait until the recovery process is completed. Your iPhone will restart automatically. After that, request a new verification code and check whether SMS verification messages are received normally. Tip 11. Contact your carrier. If your iPhone is not receiving verification code texts despite everything working normally, the issue may be caused by your mobile carrier. Carriers can block short-code SMS messages or have account, network, or SMS service issues. If other fixes do not work, contact your carrier for assistance.